Hi, this is Deepak Taylor coming with a new topic on the request of viewers. The topic given to me is fear of losing job. I feel that before talking directly on the topic, it is important to talk and build on few points related to the topic. I am of the firm opinion that one cannot teach or change others. But at the same time, everyone can learn from everything, from everyone, and at every time, and bring about changes in its life. In a similar way, there are remedies available for most of our physical problems, but at the same time, this is not true for abstract or emotional problems. Another point, the process of learning and bringing necessary changes in life is up to the individual and lies within him or her. It has nothing to do with the outside world. That means no person or thing or situation is responsible. One should understand that the best learning comes in one's life when one starts looking inward. By this I mean have a self-talk, do introspection. Another point I would like to mention is about the quality of thought we create and follow has an impact on our life and decides our destiny. The process is like this. The thought created develops a feeling within us. These feelings then develop an attitude. Because of the attitude, we do some actions, and multiple actions and repeated actions forms our habit. Various habits then make our personality, which decides our destiny. Hence it is said that thoughts creates destiny. In short, you can remember this as TFAAHPD. With these few points, let me start today's topic by first understanding in detail about fear. One may have many types of fear, and each fear has its own reasons. Hence, to go in detail for each fear is time consuming. Hence, we will be talking about fear in general. Some of the reasons why one fear are due to lack of knowledge and experience, when one does not have clarity about the subject or path that one is taking, when one is likely to lose that he or she has acquired in life, and the last and the most important point is fear has a direct linkage to one's desires and attachments in life. Then let me ask a question. Is it possible in this world for any person to be absolutely fearless? My answer to this is yes. It is possible for a person who is absolutely free from any desires or attachments in life. Say for example, Gautam Buddha. But in normal society, it is difficult to find such a person. And let me admit, I am not such a person. But I have learnt a lot by looking inward and have overcome many fears in my life. So having understood how the fear is generated, let us now talk about specific fear. Fear of losing job. Let me start by asking a silly question. When you were not having job, did you fear of losing it? You may say, how can I lose job when I don't have one? You are correct. So the obvious answer is no. So looking at previous and present condition of yours, now that you are having a job, you are in a better position. Hence, you should be happy and joyful. But on the contrary, you are fearful. Have you ever analyzed why such a contrary feeling? The answer to this is, you are afraid of losing something that you have acquired in your life. In this case, it is the job that you have acquired. Friends, here I would like to digress a little more to explain further how and what we acquire in life and our behavior towards it. During birth, we acquire body, then we acquire name, and as a consequence of this, we acquire relations like mother, father, brother, sister, cousins. As we grow, we acquire more relations like teacher, friends, boss, subordinate, and so on. We go to education institute to acquire knowledge, skill, and develop our intellect. And as the process of growing continues, we acquire health, wealth, position, and power associated with it. Acquire many assets, and it is observed that there is no limit to what one wants to acquire in life. What happens is that all that we have acquired in our life, we feel that we have put lot of our efforts, hard work to achieve it, and hence we try to identify ourselves with all that we have acquired in life. And due to this identity, we develop an attachment towards it. It is this attachment towards the acquired that develops a fear of losing it. We all are aware that one day we will die, which is certain, and we have to leave behind all that we have acquired in life. Then why are we having so much attachment towards what we have acquired, be it relations or any materialistic property? If you introspect, the answer is simple. Throughout our life, from our childhood, we are taught how to survive, and for that, we start acquiring materialistic assets. We have always looked outwards for all our problems. We even relate life to the outside world. We have rarely looked inward to understand life. Hence, when you identify yourself with all that you have acquired, you will have a constant fear of losing it. Friends, I have one more observation to share. This is related to those people who have acquired position and the associated power coming along with the position during their service tenure. These people have so much obsession with the position and the associated power that even when they are not in service and have retired, they like to continue with the position label acquired with a prefix X. Say for example, ex-president, ex-vice president, and so on throughout their life. Such people cannot even think of living life without the label of position. Now that we have understood in detail all about what we have acquired in life and how do we identify ourselves with the acquired, leading to attachments and subsequent fear of losing it, I shall elaborate in detail in the next session on acquired job and associated fear of losing it. Till then, as there is vibration of fear due to current situation, I would like to give you some homework. The first one is create within yourself positive thoughts when you get up, whenever you have spare time, and when you go to bed. My second homework is give yourself daily at least 10 minutes to introspect so that you can improve your emotional health as you do exercise for your physical health. Friends, these are the only two homework till my next session. Till then, take care of yourself and family. Have positive approach towards life. Enjoy every experience of life. It's a great learning. Improve physical and emotional health. Okay then, see you in the next session. Bye.